So my daughter and I were looking for a new glitter glue that we can replace for the glitter stay hard candy. And I think this is something that I really want to use now because she actually purchased this from Amazon.com, and I wanted to review this and tell her how this went. And you're about to like, oh my gosh, I can't even explain it, but this is a unicorn snot sticky stuff. And when I say sticky, it's really sticky. It's a liquid primer glitter glue, and you use it for the loose glitter, gemstones, body glitter, and face glitter makeup. It goes on white and dries clear. It does stay for days. I still have some on my arm. I kid you not. And oh my gosh, I'm just like in disbelief. This is 100% vegan, cruelty-free, smudge-proof, and waterproof. So we wanted to use this glue, glitter glue, on our clients for the photography that she does for her business. And I'm really wanting to add this to our makeup kit because, oh my gosh, did you see that? I'm not making it up. You've seen it right here, and it's only for $8.99 on Amazon.com. So if you have tried this unicorn snot before, let me know down in the comments below. Okay, bye.